First, let's remove the key shell. First, slide the top button of the key up to let the small key pop out, then pour it out. Use a tool to pry the shells on both sides. Use the tool to pry off the top shell. Finally, use both hands to open the key shell to complete the whole disassembly. Then start to install the chip. First, install the battery, take out the iron sheet above the battery slot. Put the battery in, and then cover it with the iron sheet. Then put the chips in place. Align the upper left and lower right corners of the chip, then close the other half of the key shell together tightly. And then install the sliding shells on both sides. Reinstall the top shell. Put the small key in. Finally, install the Mercedes-Benz logo on the front of the key, pry the surface label shell with a milling blade, and then replace our Mercedes-Benz cover.